GTR, man. It's nice.
Oh, thank you.
It's dope. I'm a car YouTuber. If you ever get a chance, I would love to have you on the channel.
Oh, absolutely.
It takes like 30-40 minutes. We can meet somewhere in Columbus.
Big bet.
And,
Yeah,
my number and IG's on. You can holler at me on IG.
All right, I'm Chris.
Okay. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Take care, brother.
I ran into quite a few people I knew. They're from like different worlds too. One of my lifting buddies was over there somewhere.
I know. I ran into one of my homegirls and she's like in the cosmetics. I'm like, what are you doing here? Not that you can't be here, but
Right.
I love this. This is so beautiful.